All right. So, I was about to do some mowing, but we got a couple packages for this project. More on that, or maybe you've already seen that. Who knows? But we got a couple Amazon packages. We're gonna do a little Toolbox Tuesday. But first, we got to get them open. So, we got some Vaso Fresh deliveries here. We got a model 310157695 579 whoop, and some OTC Torx big socket sets, again, for this mini project here that you may or may not have seen. Open these up. So here, maybe it's not gonna out. It's we've lost some. Oh, that's all bad. It's not good. Okay, well, it's not good. Okay, we're gonna fix that and be right back. So, we had a few come off their rails in transit here on the OTC set, so the packaging seems to have almost worked, but hey, at least they didn't break these little rail tabs off, so you can maybe reuse them. That might be a bonus. Getting lost in transit has made the opening of this significantly more. We might have to get the official half-finished garage letter opener back out. Maybe. No, we don't. Okay, so just a cardboard box. We had 3 and 2.5. This one almost, kinda. There we go. So I'm gonna have to look. I get this right every time. I'm perfect. That's totally, look, it might look wrong, but it's definitely, that is the correct order, guaranteed. I've thrown so many socket sets around, I can do this. Look, I'm watching the dogs. Not even, what's going on? What are you doing? Done jacked up so many socket sets, don't even need to look. All right, there we go. So, OTC set, we're gonna need these for, to check on that old lifetime tranny fluid over there. We're gonna cut this one open. We're gonna skim the outside of it. All right, so this is the set I found after I bought that one. Thank you, algorithm, for taking more of my money. But this is a carbine, pretty much the same set, but super shorties. And they all stayed on, for starters. And they are tiny. So are they all the same size? Yeah, so those are both T60s. But I think I think Carbine here may have gotten their packaging down a little tighter. So, oh, these may not. These might come take the rails with them. Jeez. All right. Ooh, all right. No, there's a little nub in there. Okay. But it's got little shallow cutouts. So these are both T60s. I hope you can see this. All right. So both T60s, but this is, I think this is the winner for this particular project, but these teeth look significantly more, yeah, so if you can see that, those teeth look quite a bit beefier than your, see, I don't even think they're in here anymore. They're somewhere out in the shop, but this is a little smaller one, but this style versus these little, so this is a, what is this, a 40? Get that 40 out. T40, I think that's a 47, is that what that says? That's very strange. Yeah, 47, all right, I didn't read that wrong. So a little bit beefier there. And then again, the teeth, this is just kind of hysterical. So you've got a little height difference here. This is a terrible way to show it. I'll cut something in here, probably. But yeah, so we need these for that project. You'll see more on that, but I'm very interested in these little carbines, but the OTC, I've used a lot of their stuff and it seems to be pretty good. The carbine has a lifetime warranty. Yeah. And I think this one is 3 years. And this says very specifically, impacts void warranty. I don't know. Yeah, do not use with impact drivers. And neither of them are impacts, but 30 bucks, 50 bucks. We'll see which what's worth it. What am I keeping in the box, huh? We'll figure it out. Until next time on Toolbox Tuesday. God, you dogs are so loud.